Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia if today is your first time here, and for today's recipe I'll be sharing with you how to make mackerel and vegetable stew. And it's a very quick and easy recipe that you can have for lunch or dinner. So I hope you'll enjoy this recipe, and let's get started. For the ingredients, I have here 4 mackerel, and to it I'm going to season with vegetable seasoning, and I'll add a little bit of garlic infused olive oil, so I'm going to season it very well. And I've already preheated my oven. Tray with the cling foil, and I'll be grilling it for about 20 minutes. So I have here 3 onions, and I'm going to go ahead and slice them and set them aside. And when it comes to cooking, I like to add a lot of onions to my stews and my soups. So yes, as you can see, I'm adding a lot of onions. Next, I have here jalapeno hot chilies. So I'm going to go ahead and cut them and set them aside. And I'm going to remove the seed. Next, I'll go ahead and chop my tomatoes. And I'm using 4 tomatoes for this sauce or stew. I'll also go ahead and cut my spring onions and set it aside. And I love to add spring onions to my stews. It adds a lot of flavor to my stew, so I'm going to add some spring onions to it. And also I'll cut my carrots. And if you have enjoyed this recipe at this moment, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It really helps me a lot. So I'll go ahead and cut my capsicum, red, yellow and green capsicums. So next, in a saucepan, I'm going to add in ginger and lemongrass infused olive oil. It's very healthy. And to it, I'm going to add in blended ginger, garlic and onion. So I'll fry it for a few seconds. Next, I'm going to add in my chopped jalapeno peppers. Now I'll go ahead and add in my chopped tomatoes. Now give it a stir. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. And at this point, the grilled mackerel is done. So I'm going to go ahead and debone. So I'm going to debone and break it into chunky pieces, and I'll add it to the stew. And at this point, the stew has been cooking for a while. Next, I'm going to add in a pinch of salt, and I'll add in my spices. I have here curry powder, paprika powder, turmeric powder, onion ginger powder, and my homemade spice. And I'll give it a quick stir. Next, I'm going to add in the carrots, chopped onions, and the mackerel, and I'll give it a quick stir. I'll also add in my capsicums and the spring onions. And as you can see, it's looking so colorful and delicious. It's smelling so nice. And at this point, our mackerel and vegetable stew is done. And we'll be having this with sweet potatoes for dinner. So I'm going to go ahead and cut them into pieces. Next, I'm going to give it a quick wash. So I've already preheated my oven to about 160 degrees. And now I'm transferring the sweet potatoes into my casserole dish. So I'll go ahead and season it with turmeric powder and a pinch of vegetable seasoning, and also ginger and lemongrass infused olive oil. And I'm going to marinate it very well. And I'll be baking it for about 20 minutes. And at this point, it's all done. It's looking so nice. Also have this sauce with rice that I've already cooked separately. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Now I'm going to dish it out with rice and peas, and also the baked sweet potatoes. And I hope you will try this recipe. Trust me, it's so delicious. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe. And thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.